Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Eva.
Docker. What is Docker? If you ever been in a situation when instructors say just run it with Docker, and you are just thinking, sitting, wait, what is Docker? Is it a programming language, software, or kind of database, or it just another tool developers like to mention? If you ever had those questions, then this video is for you. Today, I'm not going to teach Docker command or show how to install it. Instead, I simply want to answer one question: what exactly is Docker and why everyone in the software industry talking about it? So let's begin.
So now comes Docker. Think of Docker. Docker is a smart packaging system. Instead of sharing your code, Docker allowed developers to package the entire environment together. Not just the application, but also everything that application need to run. Imagine you are moving to another city. Instead of carrying every item separately, you pack everything in one all well organized suitcase. Where you go, you simply open the suitcase and everything is exactly where you left. That basically what Docker does for software. It packs everything together so the application behaves the same no matter where it is running. This is why developers love Docker because they spend less time fixing problems and more time actually building the software. Instead of asking which version of Java you are using, did you install the libraries, why does it work on your machine but not mine? They can focus on writing code helps. Docker helps everyone work in a similar environment that makes development much more smoother. This is why developer loves Docker because they spend less time fixing environment problems and more time actually building the software. Instead of asking which version of Java you are using, did you install the libraries, why does it work on your machine but not mine? They can focus on writing code. Docker helps everyone work in a same similar environment that's make development much more smoother.
Think about Git. When people start programming, they don't immediately understand why Git is important. But after building few projects, they realize, nah, okay, now I get it. Docker is exactly like that. College students use Docker, freelancers use Docker, open source developers use Docker, and big companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Netflix use Docker because the problem is same for everyone. People want software to run consistently. So, if someone is asking you what is Docker, Docker is a tool that packages an application and everything it needed so it can run on any computer consistently. So today I didn't teach you how to use Docker. That wasn't the goal. The goal is simply to help you to understand why Docker exists and why developers use it every single day. If you are just starting your software development journey, understand a concept like Docker is much more important than memorizing command because once you understand why, learning how become much more easier. If this video help you to understand what is Docker, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. And let me know in the comment which technology confuses you the most. Maybe I'll make the next video on that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.